I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by securing data and confirming licensing, then immediately build install media. First, copy user folders and export settings. Once done, verify you own a non-enterprise license or have a retail product key. Next, download the Windows 11 ISO and write it to an 8 GB plus USB stick using Microsoft's Media Creation Tool or Rufus. Make sure Secure Boot and TPM are enabled in firmware if needed. Then reboot to the USB installer and continue to the next step. Boot the PC from the USB and choose Custom. Install Windows only. Delete existing partitions tied to the enterprise installation to remove enrollment and management remnants, then create a fresh primary partition and format it NTFS. Install Windows to that partition. If asked for product key, you can skip and select the edition that matches your license during setup. Once files copy and reboot happens, complete out-of-box setup and create a local or Microsoft admin account so you regain full control without enterprise policies. After installation, install OEM chipset, storage, and network drivers, then run Windows Update repeatedly until all critical updates are applied. Enter your retail product key in Settings System Activation to activate, and link the digital license to your Microsoft account for future reinstalls. If activation fails or devices misbehave, use the Activation Troubleshooter or Boot to Safe Mode to uninstall problematic drivers. As a single key troubleshooting tip, reconnect to the internet and retry activation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.